Alright guys, we have a 2006 Honda Ridgeline AC compressor failure. All we're gonna do, we're gonna guide you through the AC compressor replacement. All you need to do, just lift it on the air. You are not gonna do anything from the top. Everything is from the bottom right here. So the AC compressor right here, you have 4 screws, number 14 millimeter socket. You're gonna use it. 2 here, 2 up there. As you see my fingers, disconnect the connector. You have 2 hoses, charge and discharge hoses. You need to take them off, and then the AC compressor is not going to give you enough room to take off from here, this gap. All you need to do, use the 19 millimeter, lower down the subframe, this side and the other side. Don't touch the other side at the driver's side. What you're going to do at the passenger side, lower it down like I did. Look at that. It's about a half inch down, and it's going to give you enough room to wiggle out the AC compressor. Put it back at the same way, do the reverse procedure, do the vacuum, recharge, and the low side is supposed to be between 35 to 40, the high side is supposed to be around 100 psi, and when you reach to that one, then you're gonna stop charging the Freon. That's all you need to do. The AC compressor is already out. I ordered a new one. We're gonna put it back together. It's about 2.7 hours job, let's say 2.5 hours job, about 3 hours job. That's all you need to do. Again, 2006 Honda Ridgeline AC compressor replacement. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.